Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to embed images in InDesign. So let's have a look now. Open your documents with the images. Now go to the window, then select links from the drop-down menu. In the links panel, find the image you want to embed. Click on the image, then click on the menu icon in the upper right corner to open the drop-down menu. Select Embed link. You will see the icon change, indicating that the image is now embedded. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb.
This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.